How is everybody doing today? My name is Hayden Wendell. The sun is bright. I am a realtor here in College Station, Texas, and I have a great home to show y'all. 3-bed, 2-bath, $355,000, a little under 2,000 square feet, has a home office. Very new neighborhood. It is Midtown Reserve in the southern part of College Station. Come on in and let's check it out. Right, now that we are inside, y'all can really see how open of a floor plan this house does have. Right when you walk in, you are immediately greeted by this home office with the double glass paned French doors. This flooring does go throughout most of the house, but like I said, it's just very open. You have your sitting area right here. You can put a TV on that wall. Right here you have an option to have a little dining table to entertain with, but this is just very open if you are looking to entertain. Here you do have a very clean looking kitchen with quartz countertops and white subway tile backsplash with your gas stove, built-in dishwasher, not refrigerator, but like I said, quartz countertops, white backsplash. When you walk this way, you have your primary bedroom over here on its own with the laundry room right here. But here in the primary, you have these shades to keep a lot of the sun out. You have the curtains if you want to make it really dark. Overall, good size room. It is carpeted in here, but you do have the wood flooring back in the bathroom. Same countertops and cabinetry that were in the kitchen. And then you have a really good sized walk-in closet with some built-ins for your primary bedroom. Here's the shower. Same backsplash that was in the kitchen. Like I said, it's just a very clean looking house that we have here. Walking to the other side, this is where you kind of have the kid side of the house. Over here you do have the bathroom that they share. Pretty much same design of the shower that you would have on the primary. Same countertops that were in the other bathrooms as well. You have bedroom number 2 over here, and then when you walk on through down this hallway, you do have the last bedroom. So that is pretty much the whole inside of the house. I will meet y'all outside for more. Alright, these pretty much are 0 lot line houses, but I just wanted y'all to kind of see what you're getting in the Midtown Reserve area. Not a huge backyard, but if you have a dog or little kids, they can still kind of run around back here. Dogs can use the restroom, stretch their legs, get some sun, but you do kind of have this covered patio. If you do want to sit out here, barbecue or in the corner somewhere over here, you still have room for that, but it's not the biggest backyard. I do just want to thank y'all again for tuning in. Like I said, my name is Hayden Wendell. I'm a realtor here in College Station. If y'all ever need anything, remember my information is at the end of this video. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me an email, shoot me a text with any questions. I'm more than happy to answer them. And as always, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment and let me know what you want to see next. Y'all have a good one. Bye.